In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email invoices to customers directly from QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner trying to streamline your invoicing process or just getting started with QuickBooks, this guide will walk you through the steps to efficiently manage your customer billing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks Online. To do this, head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to choose the Sign In option. Seeing the sign-in prompt is your first step toward getting your invoices sent directly from QuickBooks to your customers. Next up, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online. This option will take you to the login page specifically for QuickBooks Online users. This platform is cloud-based, making it an ideal choice if you want to access your accounting information anytime, anywhere. If you don't already have an account, you might want to consider setting one up for easy management of your finances. After you've chosen your login method, it's time to enter your credentials. Use your registered email or username and input your password, then hit continue. It's crucial to ensure your login details are entered correctly to avoid any unnecessary holdups. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is your digital command center for all your financial tasks. Now, to start creating an invoice, look at the navigation dashboard and find the New button. Clicking on this will open up various customer transaction options. Select the invoice option from this list. This step is where things start to get exciting, as you're now ready to build your invoice specifically tailored to a customer. When you're in the invoice screen, add in the customer details. This is where you'll need to fill in the necessary contact information for your client. Make sure you double check these details. Correct information will ensure your invoice reaches its intended recipient without any hitches. Once your customer information is in place, it's time to add what you're selling. In this next section of the invoice, you should include the product or service you're providing to your customer. Be precise and clear in your descriptions. Accuracy here helps not only in customer satisfaction, but also aids in maintaining organized records. It's a good opportunity too to check your pricing and any applicable tax amounts. Finally, with all your details appropriately filled in, you're ready to send off your invoice. Simply click on the Save and Send button. This feature will simultaneously save your invoice in the system and email it directly to your customer. Before you send, you might want to preview the email to ensure everything appears exactly as you intended. And there you have it, your invoice is en route to your customer, professionally produced and seamlessly delivered from QuickBooks directly to their inbox. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, sending invoices has never been easier. Make sure to regularly check your sent invoices to track payments and keep your bookkeeping in tip-top shape. Thank you for watching and happy invoicing.